Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Now for lights. That looks a lot better. So welcome. If you've clicked on this video, I've obviously done something right. So let me give you a bit of a backstory. Right. I'm a jeweler, 25 years experience, 0 experience on YouTube. So the experimenters, I've been watching a lot of YouTube lately, and especially starting off with van life stuff and yeah, just all sorts of videos, Mr. Beast and Kara Knight, vloggers, just so many videos. So, and my kids always been saying they want to be a YouTuber when they grow up, and but it's too hard and too difficult. So, like I said, I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos. I've got 0 experience with YouTube and technology. You can see I'm still looking at the screen instead of the camera every so often. But I have been told that I'm quite good at speaking to customers or to people, but that's usually face to face, not on a screen. So what I've decided to do is a little bit of an experiment to see if I can have a successful YouTube channel. It'll either be a catastrophic failure or success. Whichever way it goes, it'll be fun. We'll have a bit of fun. It'll be unique. I don't have fancy gear. Yes, I did buy a LED light. I'm sitting in a fairly new container style outhouse room, shall I call it. It's out on the outside of my house, and it was meant to be a bedroom, extra bedroom, but none of the kids wanted to move out, so here I am. So initially I thought I would want to do tutorial jewelry videos and post those, and people can then watch it and get information, ask me questions, more of an educational type of thing. But I quite like the talking head thing that I've been seeing on YouTube, and so as they say at Think Media, shout out, just press record, and that's what I've done. So what I'm going to do, what the plan is, I am going to run you through my whole journey in getting to the point where I can make tutorial videos and answer questions for people. And please excuse the gear and the get up. There's no heating in here yet. It's I'll show you. Let me turn this around. Can I turn around while it's recording? No, I'll have to pause. Stop. Give me a second. Bare bones. There's no plugs in yet. No light switches. Fan it down. It's obviously still very basic. My son and I set up that bench yesterday. That's one of pre-packed one that I bought. So there's a second-hand tripod I bought for $35 at the op shop, second-hand shop. And let's see if we can go all the way around. Oh, and I'm using a DJI gimbal. That's the only flash thing I bought. Is that as far as it goes? Yes. Let's pan the other way. So nothing fancy, nothing flash. The light I'm using, let me just get this, oh, wrong way. I don't know if you can see it, I'll get my laptop on. Oh, that's on my profile page. Let me get out of there. Just a basic laptop. It's a Mercer. It was new in 2014. Let me get it this way. Getting myself. See, I am still learning. Something's happened. Here we go. Oh, this thing is slow. It's for more of that cinematic effect. Haha. So just a couple of lights at the back. Box is still in the corner. Yeah, very basic. Just buy a $10 mic, a lavalier mic, which I couldn't find this morning. So, oh yeah, and as I was saying, get up. It's like 2 degrees Celsius out here this morning, and there's no heating, so it's quite nippy. And like I said, I bought a lavalier mic, which I couldn't find this morning. So, using the cell phone mic, because sound quality is important, you know. So if you feel like it, join me in this journey. It could be exciting, could be fun. I'll try and post videos regularly as the process is progressing. That's right, progress is progressing as I'm making progress. So another thing to note, English is my second language. I'm from South Africa, where my native language is Afrikaans. So bear with me. I might have a strong accent. So someone was walking past on the outside, and there's no window in yet. Just a cardboard box and a hole where the window is supposed to be. Yeah, so feel free to like and subscribe. Might learn something, might have a couple of laughs, and looking forward to seeing you again. Have fun. See you later.